You may have heard that some lawyers charge hundreds and even thousands of dollars an hour as legal fees. Can you judge an attorney's ability based upon the amount of legal fee that they charge? You want to know the answer? Especially as it applies in accident cases, medical malpractice cases, and wrongful death cases? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is no, you cannot judge an attorney's ability based upon the fee that they charge. Now, this is a double-edged question, and let me tell you why. Attorneys who handle accident cases and malpractice cases and wrongful death cases work on what's known as a contingency fee, which really means that we only get paid if we are successful in getting you compensation. That's the only way we get paid. Now, our fee is set by law. Compare that to attorneys who do hourly work, whether it's a trust and estates attorney, whether it's a real estate attorney, whether it's a contract attorney. Those lawyers work on an hourly basis. And they make sensational headlines when you hear that a lawyer is making $750 an hour. An attorney on Park Avenue is earning $1,000 an hour. And you might be thinking, hey, I want to go to that attorney. I may not be able to afford him, but because he charges $1,000 an hour, he must be really, really good. And people must want to pay him a lot of money because he's so good. The reality is, what an attorney charges has nothing to do with his legal ability. Rather, it has to do with the perception of what kind of attorney he is, allowing him the ability to increase his fees, and now it becomes a cycle. But when it comes to accident cases and malpractice and wrongful death cases, every lawyer in New York has the same exact fee. Every single one. It's set by law. So there is no way for you as a consumer who's trying to find the right attorney to help solve your particular problem to be able to distinguish one attorney from another based upon the fees that they charge. You will never hear an attorney in New York say, hey, our fee is the lowest around. You can't do that in New York for these contingency fee cases because every lawyer who handles these cases has the same exact fee. So that's why I said it's a bit of a double-edged question, because there are two different types of lawyers. Lawyers who work on hourly fees and lawyers who work on contingency. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you just to give you an inside look at what goes on when you're searching for an attorney to help solve your problem, and now you're trying to understand which lawyer is the best one for you based upon their fees. You know, I understand you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York, and again, you're thinking about bringing a case, but you're unsure and you have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.